Then you freeze.
Ndugamano nitanyitwo gukeyumiria cikaro-ini cia mbunge hindi ya ndereti igie mutaratara wa watho igie kigiina wa mwaka uyu gatagati ka ambunge amwe aho itiganite ya kiuteti bururi-ini kumana na mirugamo ya ngurani ya kiuteti. Munini wa Mutongoria wa bururi Dr William Ruto nake nimerega kwanirira uregani wao kuri mutaratara uyu wa watho makiuga nimehariirie gukauhagura mbunge-ini wona watamanio hindi ya kambeni ciao kaunti-ini ya Kiambu makiuga urongoreirio kuongerera thogora wa indo iria ihuthikaga ni muingi micii-ini na njira nene.
Hiyo budget inataka kuongeza bei ya maji, sijui iongeze bei ya mkate, sijui iongeze bei ya unga, sijui iongeze bei ya nduthi. Sisi tunataka kuambia hiyo budget haiwezi kupita kwa bunge, na ikipita kwa bunge miezi mitatu baadaye tutaibadilisha iwe ni budget ya mwananchi wa kawaida.
Ni kumana na undu uyu Mutongoria wa anini Mumbunge John Mbadi niokiriire Ruto nake akiuga uyu ni uhinga makoretwo naguo guku akimenda metheme kuingiria uteti mbajeti-ini ya bururi na handu-ini hoguo manyitanire na atongoria angi gwetha kihonio kia ngarama ya iguru ya miturire iria igumeire ya Kenya.
William Ruto should be honest with people of Kenya. He should not play populist politics. He should not, with his position as a deputy president of the republic, must always strive not to con Kenyans. I say political conmanship.
Kuringana na Mbadi uria waritie hindi ya gikaro na andiki a mohoro ugite Ruto akoretwo akihunjia ndeto cia maheni niguo guthukiria thirikari ritwa na kwiguna kiuteti we kiumbe kuona gutire handu thogora wa irio kana indo ingi ihuthikaga micii-ini ciendekithitio kuongererwo igoti.
I want to just tell Kenyans, please ignore your deputy president. He has gone rogue, is behaving like an activist, and I think the best place for him is to be in the opposition, where you can even say half-truths and get away with it. But he cannot run a government. He has no capacity, he has no moral character.
Mbadi niongereire kuuga kuri na mweke wa Kenya kugomerwo ni ngarama ya iguru ya muturire kumana na uria gukoretwo gukihanika mabũrũri-ini mangi ma nanja. Noguo akauga hari bata atongoria othe kunyitana na gwetha kihonio kia uria mangithaitira Kenya kumana na ngarama ino handu-ini ha gwetha mieke ya kwiguna kiuteti kuhitukira kuhunjia ndeto cia maheni kuri muingi.
This is not the time to play cheap politics. This is not the time to play populist politics. We know there is election in a few months' time, but we cannot allow someone at the level of a deputy president to play politics, to dance on the graves of poor Kenyans who are suffering because they cannot eat, they cannot feed themselves. This is the time for leaders to come up with the concrete solutions.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Mura Wagunya.